In this video I'm going to show you how to use the marquee and the lasso tools. So they're used as selection tools. So I've got an image on the screen, as you can see, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to use show you how you can use the different tools to select different parts of the object. So if I start with the marquee tool, so the marquee tool has got two different options. The oval or the marquee tool. So the marquee tool allows you to draw squares, so I can select whole objects. We'll just show you that. I can draw around that and I can select a whole object. You know it's selected because you've got the dancing ants going around the selection. I just escaped that, and I've also got the if I hold the mouse down on the icon, I can select the oval marquee tool, which allows me to select individual shapes. Now when I've got shape selected, I can do a couple of things which I'll show you in a second. I just want to show you before I do that the lasso tool. Okay, so with that the lasso tool has got two options as well. We've got the lasso and the polygon lasso tool. They do different things. The polygon tool allows me to click, hold, and I can draw around a shape. Great if you've got straight edges. Okay, so you can see that I'm going all the way around. Okay, and then I finish. You can see that I've got my dancing ants going around there. Okay, so there's that tool, and I've also got the normal lasso tool, which I can use to draw around a shape. So if I just carefully draw around my shape, that's not very careful, but we're going to go around this half of the coffee bean. Okay, back to the start. Okay, so there I can select. Now, there's a number of things I can do once I've selected something with these tools. So let me show you with the this marquee tool here. So I've selected this one coffee bean. Okay, now depending on which tool I select at the top here, okay, depends on what I can do. So if I do this, the sub selection tool, if I then drag, I'm making copies of that shape. Okay, so I can do that. If I use the other selection tool, the pointer tool, I can click and I can move objects off, okay, or I can delete objects like that. Okay, so there's ways in which I can use the select marquee and the lasso tool to make changes to an image.